Back to working on this again. You saw there in the intro a little bit of work that got done on it, mainly just getting the cage and the initial fit. So now that we got initially fit, I'm starting to do the old floor plates down here, which you'll see here very soon. Got this one set in, started. I got a piece cut for that side. We'll get them set, get it leveled back out, welded solid, and then we will move on to the top. I need a cut bar for the center, so I'll have to mark this where it's sitting now, take tack loose on each side, or on one side, either way, just enough that I can get it out and get a bar straight across the middle here. And it's easiest to do with one side loose at least, otherwise you're fighting to get the fit in there. Then next, I got some new tubes we need to go pick up for the front legs, because of the way it's meant to fit, or at least the DIY kit as it is here is meant to fit a certain way, and we don't like it. We want it to fit tighter to the pillars, so we're going to get our own bars and bend them, and that'll be later this week. And then we'll do the front part of the cage, including the dash bar and then the door bars. So the driver's door, we'll get a 3-bar full cage setup that comes into the doorway. Kit comes with just a slant bar setup for the passenger side. So it'll be a top bar, bottom bar, and a slanter instead of the full door cage. And the driver of the car wants to put a full door cage on that side to more or less a structural thing to keep people out of the door, so if they do hit the door, it doesn't really cause a whole lot of damage, and it'd be a little bit more to mount a set of door bars to on the outside. Which will be another video we'll show about making them. More or less sliders. If you ever worked on rock rails, or if you actually are in the dirt track, you know what I'm talking about. I'll have a bar across the door here, the whole width, to kind of keep people off of their tires, cutting. But anyways, this is enough talking. Let's go working. this video here. So you can see we got her fitted, welded up, primed up. Got that nice center bar in there. Top hoop welded. Next thing to do is pick up them bars and go ahead and put in the front, back, tie bar, and then we'll cut into cutting these door skins out. I might do that before it goes back. I'm not sure yet. It needs to go back and have the engine put in. Another thing we'll do when it comes back, you'll watch me cobble together an exhaust here. I'm going to lop off that cap. And then I'm going to run a 2.5 inch pipe back, 90, straight out the side. I have the test pipe for the side. I just need to get me a piece of pipe of good length that I can cut a good 90 and out with. But it's going to be all for now, folks.